1. Wahid, shining sun mid-shop. 2. Ithnan, birds flying high. 3. Thalaathah, buzzing bees night. 4. Arba'ah, tall green trees eye. 5. Hamsa, stars so bright help. 6. Sitta, fish inside out. 7. Saba, rainbow sky. 8. Tamania, balloons fly high out. 9. Tisa, moon at night. 10. Ashara, kites in flight. Wahid, Ithnan, count with 3. Thalaathah, Arba'a, Khamsa, 2. Learning Arabic is fun to do. 1. Wahid, shining sun as 2. Ithnan, birds flying high at 3. Thalaathah, buzzing bees and 4. Arba'a, tall green trees 1. 5. Khamsa, stars so bright and 6. Sitta, fish in sight and 7. Saba, rainbow sky 8. Tamania, balloons fly high 9. Tiza, moon at night 10. Ashara,